The Schlage BE489WB is a popular touchscreen deadbolt smart lock known for its keyless entry and smart home integration. However, it commonly faces issues like battery drain, connectivity problems, and touchscreen malfunctions. These common issues include battery drain, especially in cold weather, connectivity problems with Z-Wave networks, and touchscreen malfunctions. Understanding the lock's components, shown here in an exploded view, helps identify potential mechanical problems. While the BE489WB is popular, newer models with Matter protocol compatibility are becoming more common, making this model's market presence wane. This video provides troubleshooting steps to address these common issues and help you maintain your smart lock. Begin troubleshooting by checking the batteries. The Schlage BE489WB requires 4 La alkaline batteries for power. Each battery should provide at least 1.5 volts to ensure proper operation. Cold weather can significantly reduce battery life, causing the lock to enter sleep mode where only the keypad works. For better performance in colder climates, consider switching to lithium batteries. Replace batteries as needed to maintain reliable operation. Connectivity issues with Z-Wave can prevent your Schlage BE489WB from communicating properly with other smart devices. The smart home network relies on a central hub to connect devices wirelessly. Proper hub positioning ensures strong signals throughout your home. Place your hub in a central location, away from thick walls, metal appliances, or other obstructions that can weaken the Z-Wave signal. In a multi-story home, signal strength varies by floor and room layout. Other wireless devices, especially Wi-Fi routers operating on the 2.4 GHz band, can interfere with Z-Wave communication. Z-Wave and Zigbee operate on the same 2.4 GHz frequency as Wi-Fi channels, leading to potential conflicts. If connectivity persists, perform a Z-Wave network reset through your hub's app. After resetting, try repositioning the hub to a different location in your home to avoid interference sources. In multi-unit buildings, Z-Wave mesh networks can help extend range by allowing devices to relay signals to each other. Following these positioning and interference solutions should restore reliable connectivity to your Schlage BE489WB. A soft reset can resolve minor glitches in the Schlage BE489WB lock. This process removes the batteries for 30 seconds and reinserts them, fixing issues without losing your custom codes or settings. First, remove the 4A batteries from the lock's interior. This cuts power and clears temporary glitches. Next, wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the lock's internal systems to reset completely. Then, reinsert the 4AA batteries, ensuring they are placed in the correct orientation with positive ends facing the correct direction. Finally, test the lock by trying the touchscreen, keypad, and any smart features. If problems persist, you may need a hard reset or further troubleshooting. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. This will restore the lock to factory defaults. Remove one battery from the lock. Press and release the Schlage button 6 times. Reinsert the battery. Note that this will erase all custom codes and settings, requiring you to set them up again. If the bolt is jammed, check the strike plate alignment. Misalignment can cause binding. Adjust the strike plate if necessary. Consider lubricating the bolt mechanism. If the internal motor is faulty, you may need to replace it, potentially using parts from online retailers. Outdated firmware in your Schlage BE489WB can expose vulnerabilities, leaving your lock susceptible to security risks. To enhance security, ensure you're using strong, unique access codes that are difficult to guess. Experts recommend enabling two-factor authentication in connected systems where possible for an extra layer of protection. Be cautious of potential security exploits in older Z-Wave devices, which may not receive updates to address vulnerabilities. Given the BE489WB's age and declining support, consider upgrading to a newer smart lock model. Newer models offer enhanced security features like Matter compatibility and biometric options, as well as improved battery management and reliability. Obsolescence is predicted by 2028.